This video tutorial I will explain using Spring Boot application how to consume messages from Apache Kafka server which is installed in Amazon EC2 instance. Here you can see Apache Kafka ecosystem. It has a Kafka cluster and it has brokers, and each broker has topics, and right side you can see Spring Boot application. The Spring Boot application name is Spring Boot Kafka Consumer Demo, and it has consumer code. Using this Spring Boot application, we will see how to consume messages from Kafka topic which is installed in Amazon EC2 instance. Here you can see Spring Boot Kafka Consumer Demo project and its folder structure and the files. Here you can see pom.xml file, and in pom.xml I have included the dependency of Spring Boot Starter, Spring Boot Starter Web, and Spring Kafka. Here I have defined a class Kafka Consumer Config, and it is a configuration class. And here I have applied enable Kafka annotation. Here I have defined the group ID as group 100, and this class has two methods. The first method is consumer factory, and the second method is Kafka listener container factory. And in this method I am creating a props map, and I have added the configuration like bootstrap server config is nothing but Kafka server IP address and port number. Then group ID is group 100, and key deserializer class config, and value deserializer class config. And this method returns consumer factory object, and in this method I have created concurrent Kafka listener container factory object, and in that I am setting consumer factory object. Then this method returns concurrent Kafka listener container factory object. And when Spring Boot application starts, the Spring Boot container will create this consumer factory object and this concurrent Kafka listener container factory object, and keep it ready. Here I have defined the class Kafka consumer impl, and it is a service class, and it has listen method which accept animal name. In this listen method I have applied Kafka listener annotation, and here I have mentioned topic name as animal topic, and group ID as group 100. So whenever any messages are there in animal topic, this method will be called, and it will print the animal name. Here I have defined a class Kafka Consumer Demo Application, which is a Spring Boot application, and it has main method to start the Spring Boot application. Here you can see Amazon AWS console. Here EC2 instance is running. Copy this IPv4 address, open WinSCP, click on config, open server.properties, copy this host name, and here paste it. Here this is the host name, and the port number is 8082. We have to make sure the port number 8082 is public. Save these changes. Click on security, and if you see already 8082 is public. I made 8082 port public already. Suppose if it is not done, then click on edit inbound rules. You can click on add rule and make 8082 port as public like this. Copy this IPv4 address, open Putty software. Now I am going to start Zookeeper server. Copy this command. Zookeeper server has been started. Next I am going to start Kafka server. Copy this command. Kafka server has been started. Next I am going to create animal topic. Copy this host name and here provide proper host name and port number is 8082. Copy this command. And here I have created animal topic. Then I am going to start producer. And using this producer, we can send messages to animal topic. Here I have provided bootstrap servers config as localhost colon 9092. This I have to change. Copy this host name and port number is 8082. Save the changes. Now I am going to start Kafka consumer demo application. The application has been started successfully and it is listening on animal topic for any messages to consume. And using producer, I am sending animal name as lion to animal topic. Here you can see it received lion from animal topic. So the consumer successfully consumed the message from animal topic. Send one more message, cat. And here you can see it is successfully consumed. Here you can see left side producer and right side consumer application. Clear the log and publish some more animal names. Tiger. And here you can see it is consumed by the consumer application. Here you can see it is successfully received. Crow. Monkey. And here you can see received a monkey from animal topic. You can get the Java source code link from the description section of the video. To see the description in mobile, click on this icon and it will expand like this. Then click on this more button to see the description. And in the description, you can see the links. And click on these links to get the Java source code.